Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 93 of Build the Legendary Cyborg RoboCop from our good old mates over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab one of these yourself and build along with me, pop over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop, and you too can be building one of these 1/3 scale models. So let's have a quick scope through the magazine and see what we're up to. History of RoboCop there, War Machines. Look at him, looking rather sinister. That's a digital model of a drone by Fausto Di Martini. Love it. Ed 209 there, some concepts there. EM and Ed's siblings there. Gives you some key points of the movie. What we're going to be up to today are these back panels that you can see. These are going to be going in and closing off that battery compartment that we fitted last time, folks. And this is where it's going on our RoboCops. Just finishes that back section off nicely, doesn't it? As you can see, just presses in place, got magnets on it. And that's your left shoulder blade there, folks. Okay, so that's what we're going to have at the end of this issue. Another nice simple one, quick little video. Robot App Store there. You've then got cutting edge technologies, all about the internet, stuff like that. You've then got Crops Smart Home, which is what I've got with Alexa and smart light switches and sockets. Comes in really handy. IOMT for better healthcare, the Internet of Medical Things, it says. So you'll be able to download patient data, and this idea where they think they can render like a 3D image of whatever they want, and blows your mind, doesn't it? It's all very sort of Star Trek technology come to life, isn't it, folks? So that's the magazine done. So we'll pop that to one side. We'll assemble our little back panel, and then we'll fit it to RoboCop. So that's what we've got this week, folks. Got these little panels here. I'll just get rid of that nub. Don't want that on there, do we? And then you've got a large and a small hole there. So it can only go to one way. Like so. And just press it into place. Just like so. And then that will magnetize onto RoboCop himself. We'll bring RoboCop in, and that's literally just going to go in there like so. Nice click there. And again, when we want to swap batteries or whatever, you can just pop these off quite easily. I like that idea. It just makes that look a little bit more finished for me. So literally, folks, that's it this week. So if you want to grab one of these, head over to the Fanhome website. Clickable link in the description below. Pop. And you too can be doing these. Don't forget, click little fester in the corner there and subscribe to the channel to help me out. It helps keep the channel alive and growing. Thanks so much for coming in and watching the video series, folks. I really do appreciate it. In the meantime, stay safe and well. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye-bye for now. Look at it.